Take a ride in the 2018 QX30. The Infiniti QX30 is a premium crossover with plenty of style and performance. The QX30 offers ultimate maneuverability and is loaded with a high-quality interior space. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front performance, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.